Hey, we're back in our hometown of San Diego, and this is the Hot Dog Show. Everybody knows that San Diego is home to beautiful beaches and burritos the size of your arm. What you don't know is that there is a hidden hot dog scene here. And today we're gonna take you to 3 spots. And stick around because the 3rd spot happens to be my absolute favorite place to have hot dogs in all of the city. They've got a great beer list and even better hot dogs. So let's surf on down to our 1st spot. All right, so we're heading up north on the 15 and going to a spot that I've heard a lot about and I'm excited about it. It's called Duff's Dogs. And yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful day in San Diego. We've got perfect blue skies, not a cloud in the sky. And it's gonna be a great day for hot dogs and hot dogging. This stop in San Diego is in Carmel Mountain, where Duff's Dogs has been serving up all beef Vienna hot dogs. They've got a hot dog for every city. Let's check them out. Duff's Dogs. All right, they've got a shit ton of good hot dogs on here, but since this is the San Diego episode, we're going to get the Slam Diego dog. Took me a second to figure it out, but that's the dog we're gonna get. I'm pretty stoked. All right, I'm gonna do the Slam Diego dog. Okay, so pretzel bun, Vienna all beef dog, corn salad, bacon, mayo, and guacamole. Nothing says San Diego like that, or Slam Diego like that. Oh, look at that. Look at the side of that bun. Incredible. And we know it's good. I'm going in on this side right here. I knew I skipped breakfast for a reason. That's good. It's very salty. There's a lot of like chopped bacon on this, but the creaminess of the guacamole really sets that off. And then the corn salsa is really, really good. We live near the border, and obviously with San Diego being a beach and burrito town, we get great Mexican food. And this has got all of those elements. Technical difficulties. The world just tilted for a second, which is, if you saw the last video, not uncommon for me. It's a great dog. We're at Duff's. We're at a Home Depot parking lot next to Fantastic Sam's, where you can get a cut and color half off with a hot dog. Half off a cut and color with a hot dog. Fantastic Sam's, Duff's Dogs, pretzel bun, Slam Diego. Delicious. I know where we're going next. Stick around. It's gonna be good. All right, our hot dog tour continues. We're in Kearny, Mesa, and you may not expect to find cheesy, gooey, crunchy corn dogs in the middle of a grocery store. But I'm telling you, as far as hidden goes, Zzang Hot Dogs has been serving up crispy, crunchy corn dogs for quite some time, and we're gonna go check them out. This is really cool. Little food mark right here. You can get all kinds of different things, katsu, sushi. This actually might be one of the most fun spots on our tour today. And of course, We have gone to the lengths to find all of these places for you today. And I can't wait to try one of these out and tell you how they are. I think I want to do the potato one, the potato sausage. And yeah, you just choose your sauces or?
Yeah, you choose your sauces, but we can't touch the sauce. We'll put it on.
Of course, of course.
Yeah.
And do I choose that at the end or now?
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Awesome. Thanks so much. All right. So a little lesson in ordering here. There's so many condiments and toppings that it's a little overwhelming when you get up there. But I think I got what I think might be the ultimate to try out for this one and for this particular place. And I can't wait to put all the sauces on it because I'm doing it all. I'm doing it all, baby. Zzang Hot Dogs or Zzang Hot Dogs. Gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna do, God, what do I do? Let's see.
You want sugar?
Huh?
You want sugar in it?
No sugar on mine. So I think I'm gonna do the hot spicy. And I will do some of the mustard cheese. Is there anything we should be checking out here that,
Well,
as far as the
onion and garlic is pretty good.
all right, give me the onion garlic pow. Oh yeah, that sets it up. I think that's gonna do it.
Yep.
Awesome, thank you very much. This is again, this is like super overwhelming and I don't even know what to think. So we've got one this one's completely potato, or no, mozzarella and potato. And this one's got the sausage, and this one's actually for our producer director, so he's gonna have that. And I'm gonna do this one, so. All right, so there's a lot of controversy, right? Is a corn dog a hot dog? There's a hot dog in it, but is it a hot dog? Tell us below in the comments. We wanna know what you think. So this has got wrapped in potatoes, wrapped in cheese, covered in spicy hot sauce, covered in their cheddar mustard, and sprinkled with garlic onion powder. God, this looks insane. Mmm. These are delicious. Oh my God, all right. I swear to God, I'm gonna get to the hot dog. All right.
Is there a hot dog in there?
No hot dog in here. Oh, there's a hot dog.
There is?
Yeah. It's just, there's so much stuff on here. I couldn't even get the hot dog in, but there is a hot dog in here. Okay. So what's amazing is look at this. You've got the sauce that all dips in here. And I love that you can create your own on this. Is it a traditional hot dog? No. Is it a hot dog? There is a hot dog in there. And I gotta tell you, this is pretty spectacular. This is a really great experience. And also my first Korean corn dog. So how many bites does it take to get to the center of a Korean corn dog? About 3. The hot and spicy. Cheddar mustard. That's something I'm gonna try to make at home. I don't even know how to make it, but that's gonna be interesting. Maybe it's a cheddar powder infused with the mustard. I bet we could take macaroni and cheese powder dust and make our own cheddar mustard. God, the cheese pull on this was great. Everything about this hot dog was fantastic. I am in hot dog heaven. Again, is it a hot dog? Is it a corn dog? Is it both? Is it neither? Let us know in the comments below. Wow, this is amazing. All right, so we had our hot dogs. We did a little shopping, great produce, and now we're off to our final spot, which is my favorite place in all of San Diego to get a hot dog. This is my second favorite place right now. It was amazing. And I really enjoyed the hot dog, and we really enjoyed just hanging out and seeing what they have here. And everybody was so cool and nice and helping us figure out how to order, because it's a bit of a trick in there. There's so many different flavors, so many different choices. It's hard to know what to get. But I'll tell you what, I think we could have gotten anything in there and it would have been incredible. So we're off to our next spot. We're at Shelter Island, and we are finally making it to the place. This is my favorite place to have a hot dog in all of San Diego. Okay, it looks like it's open, thank God. Here we go. This ought to be good.
Where are we?
We're on Shelter Island, and this is Fathom Bistro. This is finally my favorite place to have a hot dog here in San Diego, and we're at Fathom Bistro, right on the pier here at Shelter Island. Let's go get a f***ing hot dog. So one of the things they have here is the Board of Wonder. It's the beer list of all the draft that they have here. Not only is this a great hot dog spot, but a lot of people know this in San Diego is a great place to get good craft beer. They also have really good sense of humor. So we're gonna get the world famous Explodo dog, Vienna beef hot dog wrapped in bacon, pepper jack cheese, house-made kimchi, and mustard. It's gonna be awesome. They also have a pizza dog, a fuego dog, and I've had the fuego dog before. And they have their own chili death sauce, which is incredible. It's very hot. I've brought 2 people here to get the fuego dog, and they had the fuego poos the next day. That's a little trick we do for people to come to San Diego. Welcome to San Diego. Hope you got good toilet paper. I'm gonna grab a Explodo dog and a pupil. Do you want to, there's no sun. Oh, you guys are leaving? Awesome. Hi. We're here just as the sun is setting over the horizon in Point Loma, and we're having the world famous Explodo dog. This dog has got kimchi. Actually, they make their own kimchi. It's a house-made kimchi, pepper jack cheese, and mustard. And of course, they're using Vienna beef hot dogs. And you know, anytime that you go to a place and they've got Vienna beef hot dogs, it is quality. And so, without further ado, the world famous Explodo dog at Fathom Bistro. It's a bacon wrapped hot dog, and the mustard is amazing. Great bite, perfect amount of mustard. The kimchi is delicious. The gooey cheese is amazing. Again, my favorite place in San Diego to have a hot dog. And I'm happy to finally share it with you guys. So, thanks for sticking around. Please like, subscribe. And now, if you want, you could join the channel, become a member. You'll get to see all the places that we didn't quite get hot dogs today if you go to the members channel. I'm your host, Twon, and this has been The Hot Dog Show.